passed like 20 minutes ago, so I don't know why she's so excited to get out of here. But anyway, get it going.
Morgan, you brought the energy every day. Really proud of you.
Hey Morgan, congrats on completing the program. Wish you all the best of luck in your future. It was great working with you.
Congrats, Morgan. Great job.
Congrats, Morgan.
Congratulations, Morgan.
Congratulations.
So kudos to you, working really hard. You know, nose to the grindstone, and it's awesome to see how far you've come. And it was, you know, time flies, no pun intended, but you really did. Solid through the program, keeping me busy, keeping me honest in promises that I made. But you know, it's been awesome to see you through, and you're definitely the first one that's asked to borrow one of my children's toys. I thought that was kind of odd, but at the same time, they were very excited. I was telling Andy at lunch today that I showed them the video on TikTok. I think it was on TikTok.
One of the Instagram maybe.
And one of my younger sons, wait, Dad, that's ours. So we already gone over this. He was very distraught, but he was excited to see him still in the garage again. So, but super excited to see where you go, and what the future holds for you. Nothing but phenomenal things that have been said from your instructors, fellow classmates, examiners. It's not terribly often that examiners make their way to come to me to let me know about students, but you're one of those that I had two actually come to me and say really good things about you. So that's impressive. So before I get over to the rest of the speeches, anybody in here have anything they want to say to or about? Hopefully nice. Anybody? Go for it.
I'll talk. Yeah, I know I talked to you about it, Morgan, but like from the moment that you called, I was terrified for you because you were so like 1,000 miles an hour off the bat. You're like, I'm ready, right? Like, no, you need prep work. Like, you need to do this stuff before you get here. You're like, I'll figure it out, whatever. And I was really worried about you. Well, I mean, you somehow got it all done. Came in, crushed it. Yeah, I think everybody would agree. We're sad to see you leave, for sure. It's always entertaining having you around. And you know, at the same time, though, like model student too. You know, always prepared and ready to roll. So happy for you, but sad at the same time.
Anybody else?
Yeah, I missed the video, unfortunately, as your instructor, but congratulations. I thought going through CFI with you was a lot of fun, so we had some good times, so congratulations again. Looking forward to see where you go.
It's always sad to see a fellow Texan leave.
That's all you're gonna say? I thought you were opening up with some fantastic, spectacular speech. All right. Yeah.
She knows the deal.
Okay. All right. Anybody else?
I loved having Morgan around because it was always, no matter what was going on, you knew she was around because she's laughing. And that is always so great because there is lots of hard times and you go through a crap storm of things. Like, we know all the things that can happen. And so just to always see you like, well, here I am, I'm just gonna do my thing. It was always just really great to have you around and just know you're always enjoying yourself.
I think this picture is being really good. Like, background for future students. Like, here's what you guys get to look forward to. This is the normal day of student life at Blue Line Aviation. So, all right, come on up. All right. So I'm going to read this here for everybody. Should have it memorized by now. All right, to all persons be it known that Morgan Shin has completed the prescribed studies and satisfied the requirements for the career pilot program. In witness whereof on the 7th day of January in the year 2022, this graduate has demonstrated superior aerial performance while committing to perform as a professional aviator under our core values of safety, innovation, integrity, excellence, and accountability. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.
All right.
So there's your pins that go along with it. So wear those. Very proud. There's that. And now I'll let you say a few things.
Thank you all so much. The last few months, the few months have dragged by a little bit, but it's, like you said, the time kind of flies. The days and the weeks seem to pass really slowly, but you turn around and you're like, oh, it's been a month, it's been 2 months, and now it's blown by. And I remember sitting at the old training center, like watching, people graduate. I'm like, man, it seems like it's so far ahead. It's not. It's here before you know it. So I'm honored, and it's been a pleasure working with all of you and the friends that I've made here. Oh no, I'm gonna cry now. It's been a blast. I've had so much fun, and for the new people here, keep your head to the grindstone. Keep working hard, but don't forget to pop your head up and take in what's around you. This isn't gonna last all that long in the grand scheme of things. So enjoy where you're at, enjoy the people around you, make friends, and enjoy the journey, man. It's been a good time. Thank y'all.
You gotta ring the bell, no sitting down.
Oh.
You can't forget the most
All
important
right,
part.
the bell.
Huh? Next victim?
We give you Callie back.
All right. All right, absolutely.
Yeah, you're late. That's not a good way to start.
I'm so happy for you.
Did you go today?
Wild. I know. Seriously. Thank you.
Wendy.
Absolutely.
Thank you so
much.
Have
fun. Enjoy them. I was gonna say I go all the time out visit.
Send me a blade of grass.
I will.
Just
A plate
one.
of grass? Just one plate?
Just one blade.
Okay.
And maybe a boom bonnet if you're really feeling like it. Like venturing out there.
Yeah.
Great.